Alright, so as you see here, when I got this truck, it did not have floor mats at all. So I picked up from Dollar General Driver MXD. Didn't look that bad. Alright, let's get this set up. So you see you got your 2 for the rears and 2 for the fronts. Alright, get this garbage out of here. Put this back in the Mustang. Alright, that don't look bad. There we go. And the other one, I'm just going to put it on top of here. I got all that stuff there. So that don't look bad. Not at all. Alright, I would say go to Dollar General and pick yourself up some of these. If a used vehicle off the lot and they don't give you floor mats, that's the best place to get them, I see. Not bad for under $20. Alright guys, that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.